Okay, the first one is the same as in Steve Martin, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next one is the same as in the Running Man, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next one is the same like in the tone map, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the last one is from the above, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Let's put all this together. Down, front, side, up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. With the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, 2 counts. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, 1 count. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Music. 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, you have a bonus. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Directly to the music. Good luck with this one. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.